Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In this video, we would be discussing the details which were revealed by the black box of Ukrainian Airlines flight, which was shot down by Iran during January 2020. As per the sources, the Ukraine International Airlines Flight 752 was shot down by an Iranian surface to air missile system. The missiles which were fired by the Iran armed forces came from Russian anti-aircraft missile system, which is the Tor short-range air defense system. After the incident, Iran acknowledged that its armed forces fired these two missiles by mistake, which caused it to crash the airlines of Ukrainian after taking off from Tehran's main airport, killing all 176 people on board. The Tor short range air defense system built by Russia was the one used by Iran to shoot down the flight, and these defense systems are designed during Soviet times to shoot down aircraft and precision guided weapons. The engagement range is up to 12 km and an effective altitude of 6 km. The unique behavior of these missile systems is that the missiles explode near the target, taking it down with shrapnel that devastates the engines, fuel tanks, and other vital components, causing major damage. According to sources, analysis from the black boxes revealed that the plane was shot down by two missiles within minutes. Some sources mentioned that the second missile hit the aircraft 25 seconds after the first one. The flight team of two pilots and an instructor tried to keep the plane under control until the second missile hit the plane directly, causing it to crash into the farmland outside Tehran. The shooting down of the aircraft happened on the same night when Iran fired a number of missiles at two Iraqi bases which housed United States troops. The attack by Iran was due to the killing of top Iranian general Qasem Soleimani and Iraqi military leader Abu Mahdi al-Muhandis. The killing of these two people happened outside Baghdad's international airport by United States drones. I have uploaded a separate video on this particular topic for which I will provide the link in the details section. Now coming back to the incident of the shooting down of Ukrainian flight, post the airlines which crashed, Iran mentioned that the crash was due to some mechanical faults and nothing to do with the missiles, but later acknowledged that it was a big mistake by the forces on high alert during the confrontation with the United States. Iran mentioned that the misaligned missile battery, the miscommunication between troops and their commanders, and a decision to fire without authorization all led to the fatal downing of this particular flight. Not sure how any defense system can be aligned so badly to shoot down a passenger flight, killing 176 people, but at least the truth came out from Iran about this particular incident. So that was a quick update regarding the downing of Ukrainian Airlines flight by two missiles of Iran which came from the Russian air defense system. Thanks for the update. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.